Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Patria. Pratt and Whitney agree on F135 engine final assembly for Finland's F35 Lightning II program. Patria said it has signed an agreement with Pratt and Whitney for the final assembly of the first F135 fighter jet engines in Finland. Production has already started and will run until 2030 at Patria's new assembly and maintenance facility in Linnavuori, Nokia. As a strategic partner of the Finnish Defence Forces, Patria will initially assemble the engines and later carry out maintenance and repair activities. Finland's first F-35A fighter aircraft are scheduled to arrive at the Lapland Air Wing Base in Rovaniemi at the end of 2026. It's inspiring to see our joint efforts materialize, not only in building new capabilities for the F-35 program, but now also in taking the first concrete steps toward F-135 production at the new facility by Patria's experts, said Petri Hapoler, Patria's Chief Program Officer, F-35. The Linnavuori facility and our growing Patria team are central to this progress and to the upcoming F-135 engine assembly and maintenance work. Patria's capabilities will strengthen the F-135 engine sustainment network and the collective defense of Finland and its NATO allies, said Andre McMillan, Vice President for Sustainment Operations at Pratt & Whitney. This agreement ensures that Patria-assembled engines will power Finland's F-35 fleet for decades to come. The agreement builds on a 2024 framework contract covering maintenance, repair, overhaul and upgrade operations for the F-135 engine, with Patria estimating a direct employment impact of about 50 people between 2025 and 2030. To mark the start of production, a second World Warrior Pratt & Whitney engine recovered from a lake in Orivesi in spring 2025 has been conserved and placed on display at the Linnavuori facility. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.